How to print both sides in Word document. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Word. Simply click on File located at top left corner of your screen. On left side, you will find Print, which is below Save As and above Export. Simply click on Print. In Print, you will find Print One-Sided option. Click on it and you'll find manually print on both sides. Select that and simply print. After that, it will simply print on both sides. And this is how to print both sided in Word document. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time. Thank you for watching.